In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect Google Docs to N8N. We will do this by setting up everything inside Google Cloud Platform and then linking it back to N8N. Follow along step by step, and by the end you will have your Google Docs account ready to use inside your workflows. The first step is to go to Google Cloud Platform. Open your browser, search for Google Cloud Platform, and click on the link that says Google Cloud Computing Services. Make sure you are logged into the correct Google account. Now we need to create a new project that will allow Google Docs to connect with N8N. At the top of the page, open the project picker, then click on New Project. I will name this project N8N Google Docs. For location, if it shows no organization, that is fine. Click Create. After the project is created, switch to it by selecting it from the project picker. With the project active, we need to set up the API. Click the menu icon in the top left corner, go to APIs and Services, and then select Library. In the search bar, type Google Docs. From the results, select Google Docs API, click Enable. This may take a few seconds. After enabling the API, we need to configure the OAuth consent screen. From the left menu, click OAuth consent screen, choose Get Started. For the application name, I will enter N8N Google Docs. Add your email address as the contact email. Select External as the user type, since this connection will be used outside of Google Cloud. Continue filling in the required fields, including your email again for support contact, and agree to the Google API terms, then click Create. The next step is to publish the app. Go to the Publishing Status section and click Publish App. Confirm this change. If you do not publish the app, the connection in N8N will fail later. Now go back to APIs and Services and open Credentials. Click on Create Credentials, then select OAuth Client ID. For application type, choose Web Application. Give it a name such as Google Docs N8N Connection. Under Authorized Redirect URIs, click Add URI. Switch over to N8N in your browser. In your N8N editor, open the Credentials page, click New Credential, and search for Google Docs. Select Google Docs and a pop-up will appear showing you the OAuth redirect URL. Copy this link and go back to Google Cloud. Paste it into the Authorized Redirect URI field. When you are done, click Create. Google Cloud will now give you a client ID and a client secret. Copy both values. Return to the N8N pop-up and paste them into the client ID and client secret fields. The next step is to sign in with Google. Click Sign in with Google, select your account, and proceed. If you forgot to publish the app earlier, the sign-in process will fail, so make sure that step was done. You may also see a warning that Google has not verified this app. That is normal. Click Advanced, then go to N8N Unsafe and continue. Accept the requested permissions. The connection will complete and the pop-up will close automatically. N8N will confirm that the Google Docs credentials were created successfully. At this point, your Google Docs account is connected to N8N. You can now use the Google Docs node inside your workflows.